Ayubowan everyone. Today I'm going to teach you Parvatasana. Now I've told you many times before, there are so many different yoga, Surya Namaskar styles, and Parvatasana is one of the main yoga postures that you should learn if you want to do a proper Surya Namaskar sequence. Why is this so important? You will understand when you get to the posture how important it is for you to have that upper body strength to push away the flow and to lift the hips up and to come to that alignment like a mountain. This is called Parvatasana for a reason. You have to create your body shape like a mountain. One thing, as I told you, in different lineages of yoga, the word can change, the Sanskrit term can change. In some lineages it's called Parvatasana, in some it's called Adho-Mukha Svanasana. Both are the same, it's downward facing dog. In English, it's one name, downward facing dog. And let's see how to do downward facing dog using the previous posture I taught you in the previous video, Falakasana. It's very easy once you understand Falakasana to come to downward facing dog or Parvatasana, aka Adho-Mukha Svanasana, is quite easy. Let's see how we do it. Downward facing dog or Parvatasana. Adho-Mukha Svanasana is also another name. This posture is very easy to come to if you know the alignment of the previous posture of the sequence, which is Falakasana. So let's first come to Falakasana. So this is your Falakasana plank pose. From here, all you have to do to come to downward facing dog is to stay with your palms and your toes where you are and lift the hips up and pull the head in, opening the shoulders and opening the armpits to the outsides and look at your navel. So this posture creates a beautiful shape of a mountain with your body, and not every beginner might be able to come to this exact shape. So some of you might feel a little tight in the shoulders and you might have a little hunch like this. Some of you might have lifted heels like this. All that is fine because it takes a long time of practice and a lot of stretching in the body to be able to come to the way I came to it. So which was this. So my heels are completely down and my shoulders are completely open and my head is almost touching the floor but not touching, and I'm looking right at my navel, knees straight, elbows straight. So to come to this, you need alignment, bandha, drishti, breath and friction point, as I told you, as I've been telling you in all these videos. So what are the bandhas? Let's find out. Bandhas, all 5 bandhas are active in Parvatasana. Let's come to Falakasana first. From here and here, then we come to Parvatasana or Adho-Mukha Svanasana. Your bandhas have to be active on your arms, Hasta Bandha, Pada Bandha. Look at my toes, how grippy they are. Look at my fingertips, how grippy they are. And glutes should be squeezed and stomach muscles should be engaged. And when you look at your navel, when your drishti becomes Nabhigraha, automatically your Talandra Bandha, your neck lock starts happening. So all 5 bandhas are active in this posture. Try and open the shoulders outwards like this. And if you, by any chance, if you are hunching, if you feel very tight in your shoulders, bend the knees, lift the hips and pull the head in. Try that again. I repeat, if you are hunched in your upper body like this, bend the knees, lift the hips and pull the head in. And in time, with time, your body will understand how to open the shoulders and lengthen the shoulders. So that's downward facing dog, Parvatasana, Adho-Mukha Svanasana. I'll see you again next time with another posture to do a Surya Namaskar full sequence.